Youth from across Tennessee at the state capitol in both the State House and Senate chambers.
Help us pass this bill and help the people of the state. Class size reduction is most effective when classes are between 13 and 17 students.
Debating bills and then voting on them, just like the real lawmakers do. It's the 76th Annual Tennessee 4-H Congress.
I think that this whole entire event is just amazing to help young students learn more about citizenship and how to be a better citizen.
It's been fun. Every second of it has. I enjoyed it. I would come back again. I learned at Capitol Hill how bills are passed and how that system goes.
It was very surreal because those people that pass our laws that we live in every single day. So to see how they create it and come up with those laws, it was really amazing.
Not many other 4-H programs around the U.S. actually have something like this.
This year's 4-H officers oversee the mock sessions and overall event. Zach Lewis is presiding over the Senate. Gabe Harville is presiding over the House, and Rachel Allheit is presiding over it all as governor.
This experience provides these 4-Hers with a unforgettable lifetime experience, whether we're at the hotel in Murfreesboro or here at the state capitol, where most of the memories are made. They get to actually come here and be the senators and representatives from their county. And not many kids, some may not even know how the government works. And this right here is a true way for they can see that.
This is important because a lot of people, especially young people and youth today, they don't know about our state government, and it's especially important in this day and age to know how laws are formed, how they get passed from the House to Senate and finally to the governor, and just how to vote. So it's very, very important for youth of today to come into 4-H Congress and learn about their state government.
These mock sessions just help them better understand, because this is it is the exact same as it would be held in an actual session. It's just with different bills and with 4-Hers, but it's amazing to see their understanding of government after this week.
After learning about the legislative process, 4-H students get hands-on learning at the ballot box as they vote for new 4-H officers using real voting machines that would be used in local, state, and federal elections.
I think that it's very, very important for them to learn how to use these machines for later on in life, and it's very, very interesting hearing the speeches and the whole candidacy process. I think that it is one of the greatest parts about Congress.
And what better way to learn about state government and elections than a surprise visit from Governor Bill Lee?
Bill Lee took the time out to talk to us, and that's something that not many people get to experience, because I know he's a busy man, but for him to take that time out for us, that's amazing. It shows that, we're 4-Hers from all over the state, but no matter what our background is, just like Bill Lee, we can do great things through 4-H, and that it really guides you in life.
It's just a lot of fun and gives unique experiences to the youth who attend.
In the elevator, I got to meet the Secretary of the State, which is pretty cool. He was just in the elevator. You'd walk in the elevator. He was holding the elevator door. It's not something that happens a lot. You just walk in the elevator and the Secretary of the State's there holding the elevator door for you.
I've had a blast. It's just taught me how to be a better leader. It's taught me leadership roles, how to actually, social skills. It's taught me how to communicate with people. Because I used to be shy, but I'm just outgoing now, and I just try to meet so many people as I can, because it's just a big opportunity.
It's been really exciting. I've had a lot of fun. I've learned a whole lot about our government, how it works, how everything you need to know to be prepared for really anything in that scenario.
After every vote is counted, the new 4-H officer team is in place for next Congress. The 2023-2024 Speaker of the House is Alex Snodgrass of Jefferson County. Speaker of the Senate is Grace Huff of McMinn County, and Maylee Williamson of Giles County is the governor.
To have all the representatives vote for me, it's just a blessing. I'm so thankful for it. Just want to grow as a leader and as a person and helping people.
I was so excited. I knew the Lord had this in store for me, and I didn't know how to thank everybody. I really have never known much about government, but this has taught me a lot. Meeting our government, meeting Bill Lee was amazing. Not a lot of people can say they took a picture with Bill Lee. And I don't know, it was just an amazing experience.
I know that I am here for a purpose. And I was standing there, and my name was called. and I was in shock. It was like everything slowed down, and it was just tunnel vision. I couldn't hear the crowd. I was just walking in shock. 4-H has really allowed me to find my place in the world, and what I ultimately want to accomplish with this goal is to allow others to find their place in 4-H.
3 days full of learning, fun, and forming the future minds of Tennessee.
This Congress trip has been absolutely amazing. This is something that has honestly been life-changing.